Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question integration of x squared divided by x plus 1 all cube into dx. So we have to integrate this question. So let's start the solution of this question. So suppose we have u equal to x plus 1, this x plus 1. Then u minus 1 equal to x, how this 1 will go on other side of the equation. So u minus 1 equal to x, and similarly if we squared on both sides, so u minus 1 all square equal to x squared. So now we will differentiate this u. So this du equal to d divided by dx into x plus 1, and now we will write separately, that is this dy by dx of x, like this one, and dy by dx of 1. So as we know that this dx and dx will cancel each other, which will equal to 1. And as we know, the differentiation of constant term is equal to 0, so this will become 0. And now du divided by dx equal to 1, and we will multiply this dx with this, so finally du equal to dx. So now we will put these values because we have x square equal to u minus 1, so this will become u minus 1 all squared, and we know that x plus 1 equal to u, so we will put this u cube and dx equal to du. And now we will break this like u square divided by u cube, and with this we will open this formula, which will be equal to u square minus 2u, and 1 square, which is equal to 1. So this u square divided by u cube uh, into du, and similarly this minus 2u divided by u cube, and 1 divided by u cube. And now this u square and this u cube will become 1 divided by u, and here this will become this minus this 2 will come out of the integration. This will be minus 2 into integration of u and minus 2, because this one time u will cancel this, so this will become u square in denominator, and when we send it into the numerator, so this will become u power minus 2 into du. And similarly, when we send this from denominator to numerator, so this will become minus 3 into du. So now we can integrate this. So let's integrate this according to integrations formula. 1 over u du equal to ln u, and this minus 2, and when we integrate this, so 1 will be added with the power, so this will become u power minus 2 plus 1, and this we will write in denominator, that is divided by minus 2 plus 1. And similarly here, this u power minus 3 plus 1, because we will add plus 1 with this, and divided by minus 3 plus 1, we will add this in the denominator. And now this is this ln u, and minus this will become minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1, and minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, and similarly u power minus 2 divided by minus 2. And now we can write this as ln u, and this minus when multiply with this minus will become plus, so 2, and this u minus 1 can be written as overall 2 divided by u. So the whole term, this whole term, we can write this as 2 divided by u. And similarly, we can write this whole term as minus, because this minus and plus when multiply, so overall it will become minus. And we can write this as 1 divided by 2 u square, because when we send here, so this minus will become plus. And this is the integration in form of u. And now we will put back plug back the values which we have supposed. So as we know that we have u equal to x plus 1, so this will become ln x plus 1, and this will become 2 divided by x plus 1, and similarly minus 1 upon 2, and u equal to x plus 1 squared and plus c. So this is the integrated form of the given question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.